I'm Esmeralda Collin, and this is my Proxemics assignment. So let's get started. The first question says, in the interviews, which proxemic zones mentioned in your text does the reporter use during her interviews and experiments? And the two zones she used are intimate and personal. Intimate being within a foot and a half, and personal being within a foot and a half to 4 feet. The second question says, as a person enters the intimate proxemic zone, does this convey increased intimacy or threat? And to answer that first part, it depends on where you're at. In the video, it shows that when people are outside, they don't mind it as much because there's more people. Maybe they don't feel enclosed, as in we're in an elevator, which is leading to our second part of it. Says it doesn't matter if the move is forced, as in a crowded elevator. In the elevator, they are enclosed, so they might feel uncomfortable, they might feel threatened even. I think if it's a crowded elevator, it's a little bit more comforting just because everybody is in their own bubble. You know, everyone's within everyone's intimate zone, but it's still not the most comfortable situation to be in. It depends on the situation, of course, but outside, people feel maybe a little uncomfortable, but they don't feel threatened as much, whereas if they are enclosed, they do feel threatened and very uncomfortable. The third says, share an example when you felt you had your personal space invaded. And I think I try to stay away from situations like that just because I do like my own little personal bubble and I don't like people interfering with my bubble. But I think the most recent example of that would be I went to a summer camp and we had this leadership activity where someone was standing in the middle and you were facing two other people, and there was a person standing behind you, and they were supposed to be the positive voice while the other two were supposed to be the negative voice. So you had someone right behind you whispering something or telling you something in the ear. Of course, it was multiple people in the room, so they did have to yell a bit, or they had to get closer for you to hear them, and definitely was a bit uncomfortable having two people just yelling and then someone right behind you, but I understand the circumstances of the activity and it wasn't a problem. And the last one is respond to other people. So I'm done with this assignment. Thank you.